If you've ever created a digital product and heard crickets, no sales, no interest, nothing, then this video is for you. Today, I'm revealing the biggest digital product mistakes that are keeping you stuck at $0 and what you can do to fix it. These are the exact types of digital products that will not sell, and I'll show you what to create instead so that you don't waste time, money, or energy on something that will not work. At the end, I'm going to reveal the biggest mistake that kills your digital product sales. So stick with me. So why do digital products fail in the first place? Well, most people create products based on what they want to sell rather than what people actually need. If your digital product doesn't solve one specific problem, then it's just not going to sell. Now, imagine selling a generic live your best life planner. Well, who's it for? What problem does it solve? If you can't answer that, then neither can your buyers, and they're not going to be able to identify that the product that you are selling is for them. So let's now look at some specific examples of what really isn't selling well when it comes to digital products. Let's start with generic journals. The market is absolutely saturated right now with journals. And if yours doesn't do something specific, if yours doesn't stand out from the crowd, it's simply not going to sell. So if you really want to create and sell a journal, you need to think about what is it about this journal that's different from all the others, that solves a specific problem that my ideal buyer has. Without that, you are just another generic journal that is mixed in with the hundreds of thousands of others that never sell. So let me give you an example of how to fix it. Instead of having a generic daily gratitude journal, create a 90-day anxiety relief journal for new mums. This is completely niche down. It is very specific, which means that you will get more sales. If you want to make sure that you are creating a sellable digital product, grab my free passive income guide. It walks you through exactly what to sell and how to start making money fast. The link's in the description. Just click it and grab it for free. Let's look at the second digital product that fails. Well, this is vague courses. Well, what do I mean by vague? Say you create a course and you call it How to Be Happy. I'm sorry to be the bearer of bad news, but it's just not going to sell. Why? Because the niche is too broad. How to be happy? What? With everything? Not everyone needs to be happy with everything all the time. Usually, people are unhappy with one specific thing or maybe two specific things in their life that they want to work on right now. So if you create a course that's called How to Overcome Anxiety in 30 Days Without Medication, well, boom, you've just got yourself a bunch of buyers lined up because they can tell exactly what the course is about, exactly how it's going to help them with the problem, the time it's going to take to fix the problem, the result that they're going to get. That there is a winning lineup of how to get more sales with a course rather than just a vague title of How to Be Happy. When your digital product offers a clear transformation, it converts to more buyers. Let's have a look at another example. This one is generic Canva templates. Now, you've probably used Canva and you've seen the amount of free templates that are available on it. If you create generic templates exactly like what's already available for free on Canva, why would they sell? So when it comes to creating templates, you have to create something that is actually going to help solve a specific problem. I talked about this example before, where as part of one of my old courses, I used to provide my clients with a template script of how to sell in the DMs. The template was literally a script of what to say to the other person, and then based on their response, what you say from there, and it ran through a whole script of what to say. Now, if I wanted to, I could easily sell that as a standalone template because so many people don't know what to say in the DMs when it comes to selling. And so right there, from something that I created for my clients years ago, is still a very sellable digital product right now. Let's take a look at another digital product example. Paid communities without a clear goal. Now, when I say communities, this can also mean memberships as well. So let's say that your community is just a random Facebook group. You can find so many that are available right now for free. Why would people pay for it? Just need a clear reason to join, not just oh, come join my Facebook community, and by the way, I'm going to make you pay for it too. So if you wanted to sell something like a community, like a Facebook group, then here's some ways of doing it better. So instead of just a generic support group, try 6-week accountability coaching for new course creators. Do you see how that's far more specific? It gives a time frame, the 6 weeks. We know who it's for, new course creators, and they know what they're getting, accountability. If you've got this far and you have a digital product that just isn't selling, then why don't you join my free 3-day challenge? I'll show you the exact steps of how to sell your digital product successfully. The link is the first line in the description below. Click it now and sign up for free. So say you followed all of these guidelines, you've got a digital product that is something that solves a specific problem for a specific buyer. You've not created it because you just felt like it. You actually know what you're talking about. You've used your expertise. You've done your research. You understand what it is that your buyer is looking for. And you've created this digital product that's just not selling, even though you've got loads of followers. Well, here's the thing. You don't actually need hundreds of thousands or even millions of followers. But what you do need is a niche audience. So you need people in your audience watching you who are interested in the problem that you are helping them to solve. That way, you only need a handful of followers that are always going to buy from you. And if you're struggling with sales, ask yourself, do I have an audience to sell to? Do I know anyone? If I am a brand new beginner with 0 people in my audience, do I know people in my life, friends, family, work colleagues, who are interested in fixing this problem that I'm trying to help them solve? That's where you start when you have 0 following. Start there. Start by helping people first, by making a name for yourself first. Start building up that authority that you know what you're talking about. Do that first, sell later. You don't always need to try and sell straight out of the door, especially if you are brand new and the topic that you are trying to launch into with your business is brand new for you as well. So I said at the beginning of the video that I was going to tell you the biggest mistake that people make when it comes to creating sellable digital products. Well, here it is. Most people overcomplicate everything. They try to make the perfect product, to build the perfect website, and stress over every little thing, taking so much time when it really didn't need to. Meanwhile, successful sellers launch simple, solve problems, and adjust and tweak depending on the feedback that they get. What's one mistake that you've made with digital products? Drop a comment below. I read and reply to every comment that you make. And if you want to start making money with digital products but have no clue where to start and don't know how to sell them, my free 3-day challenge walks you through the exact steps. Click the link below to sign up now, and I'll see you in the next video.